Hello again, friends, and welcome to episode 26 of Free Pokemon Cards, where every Saturday morning we open a pack of Pokemon cards and we give them away to one lucky winner. The rules of the contest are simple. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below your 3 favorite Pokemon from the pack. If your 3 favorite Pokemon match my 3 favorite Pokemon, I will send you the whole pack. And this week we are opening yet another pack of Scarlet and Violet 151. Here we go. Got the magic scissors. Hopefully it's a magic pack. Lickitung to start it off. Venonat. Pidgey, Metapod, Golbat, Leftovers. I don't like the Leftovers card. Persian, Arcanine, Reverse Holo, Ammonite, Reverse Holo, and Gengar holographic. No hit, but the art on that Gengar is pretty cool. Energy code card, and I have a bunch of other code cards here from other stuff. Code card, code card, code card, code card. Remember to comment below your 3 favorite Pokemon out of the pack, and until next week, keep on catching.